If your Motorola is having a battery draining issue, like once fully charged to 100%, it loses the charge to almost zero within a few hours, then don't worry. We're here to show you some basic and advanced tips and tricks that you can try all by yourself to improve the overall battery life on your Moto. We're using Motorola Edge 50 Fusion for this video, but this will work on any other Moto series phone like E, G, Stylus, or Razr running on Android 15. Now we're going to start with the basic one. Whenever possible, just force quit all the apps that's running in the background. Next, let's go ahead and check out some display settings. From settings to display. First of all, if adaptive brightness is turned on, just turn it off so it can just manually increase or decrease the brightness. Now if you want, you can use the dark theme since you're having the battery draining issue. Now for this video, I'm just keeping it light. Now after that, scroll down to display refresh rate. We all know the more the refresh rate, the more battery will be consumed. So try to keep it between auto to maximum 120 Hz. You can use 144 while playing games only. And if you go back, lastly in screen timeout, keep the time as minimum as possible. And at the same time, disable attentive display if it's on. Now after that, go ahead and check some battery settings. From settings once again. Now we're going to go to battery. In battery usage section, you will see how much battery is consumed with which app. Now you can enter all the apps one after another that consumes most battery and then select restricted background activities for them. Now there is a catch. This might take a toll on your app notification. So the trick is keep your important or social media apps in optimized background activity, and you can keep all the unnecessary system apps to unrestricted. Now go back to your battery main settings, and here you will get a bunch of options that you can use in time of need, like battery saver. When your battery is almost drained, for the time being you can turn on battery saver. It will automatically enable some battery friendly options like dark mode. And apart from that, enter adaptive battery, and it's recommended to turn it on to improve the overall battery life of your Motorola. After that, go to background app use, and here you can manually allow or deny background app activity like just we have shown you in battery usage section. And then you need to turn on these three different options: improve battery while inactive, optimize charging, and overcharge protection, so it will not charge beyond 80%, now which is beneficial for the overall battery health, and you can turn it off anytime you want. Now in our last segment, we're gonna open up the Google Play Store, tap on your profile, from there go to settings, first go to network preferences, to auto update apps. Here you can select to update over Wi-Fi only or just don't update and manually update the app whenever you want. Now go back now to autoplay videos, and here it's recommended that to save your battery, select don't autoplay videos option. Before we finish off, we recommend you at night before you go to sleep, turn off Wi-Fi and hotspot for that matter, and also Bluetooth. And lastly, just once in a while, just restart your device. And that's all. These are all the simple ways that you can improve the overall battery life on your Motorola. Thanks for watching.